You are trying to save $5 by grabbing the cheapest oil filter off the shelf, but you are slowly destroying your engine. A high-quality oil filter is the only line of defense keeping metal shavings and carbon buildup away from your bearings. When you buy a budget filter, you are getting inferior paper media that clogs quickly and stops cleaning the oil. Inside every good filter, there is a bypass valve designed to open only when the oil is too thick or the filter is completely blocked. Cheap filters use weak bypass springs that stay open constantly. This means completely unfiltered oil is bypassing the element and circulating heavy debris straight into your engine block. Another critical component you lose with a cheap filter is a high-quality silicone anti-drainback valve. This rubber flap keeps oil trapped inside the upper engine when the vehicle is turned off. Budget filters use cheap nitrile rubber that hardens from extreme engine heat and fails to hold the fluid in place. When that cheap valve fails, all the oil drains back down into the oil pan overnight. The next morning, you turn the key and experience a dry start where metal grinds on metal for several seconds before the oil pump can push fluid back to the top. Budget filters also feature thinner metal casings that can easily warp or rupture under high oil pressure. A blown filter housing will dump all your engine oil onto the highway in seconds, resulting in total engine failure before you even notice the warning light on your dash. Always spend the extra few dollars on a premium or original equipment filter designed specifically for your exact vehicle. Check the manufacturer's specifications to ensure it has the correct micron rating and a durable anti-drainback valve. Protecting your engine is always cheaper than replacing it.